All right, welcome to this YouTube channel. This is IT on Demand. Today, I just felt I needed to give a context to this YouTube playlist. And I'm doing this, of course, after a series of recording. I want to encourage you. Programming might seem overwhelming, especially when you're working with, when you start learning it, and especially when you start finding, when you start having to debug your codes and you run into errors. But I want to tell you that, yes, as challenging as it might be encouraged by the fact that others who are learning it are no better than you, and you also can do it if someone else is doing it. So the best way you can, and as you can see, this is a playlist. The goal, the idea behind this playlist is just to give you an overview of what Python really is about. And I started from the very basics, and I expect you to follow these videos. And if you don't understand certain things, feel free to let me know in the comment section. While this is not a classroom, just think of it like a classroom. And so if you have questions, I want it to be very engaging, where you have questions or you have issues, you run into code problems, and you've tried to solve some of the exercises and quizzes. I post quizzes as well. So take those quizzes just to see how well you're doing. When I ask questions on these exercises, just give your answer. It doesn't matter if you get it correctly or you got it wrong. This is the way we learn. We all learn by, of course, we fall and then we get up again. And so I feel like I should encourage you, get someone else who probably would be able to push you, to whom you can be accountable. If you have someone who is also a very serious minded person like you, that would be very great, because then you can always check on each other. And if you guys are more than two, you can check on one another. How are you guys doing? Hope you're still learning. Exercise 3, exercise 4, exercise 2. Have you solved it? What did you get? This is how I wrote my code. How did you write yours? I mean, things like this just helps us to push together, and it helps us to learn together. And so I just feel like I should encourage you and give a context that this video series is not just it's not just another YouTube video. There are lots of YouTube videos out there, but this is just different, that I needed to put things in the proper context so that you don't just keep watching these videos and it still doesn't make any impact in what you're doing. I want you to know these things, and just know that I know you, and I mean you indeed. You will think, no, I can't. I'm talking to you. Yes, you can know it. And so let's learn together, and let's see how far we can go. I'm also learning, but let's do it together. Thank you, and have a great time. And yes, just in case you are yet to subscribe, please do not forget to do so, because it's going to be helpful, and you can also share these videos with other people as well. So tell them to subscribe, and you guys should learn together. Thank you, and see you in the main videos. Have a great day. Bye.